Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OpenZeppelin contracts for safe ERC-20 creation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your computer. Visit the official Node.js website and download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to set it up. Open your command line interface, such as terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project using the command dir-myac20 token and navigate into it with cd myac20 token. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init. Next, install Hardhat, a popular development environment. After your Hardhat project setup is complete, you'll see a basic file structure created. Now, install OpenZeppelin contracts by running the command npm install at OpenZeppelin/contracts. Navigate to the contracts folder in your project directory. Create a new file named mytoken.sol. Open mytoken.sol in your preferred code editor. At the top of the file, import the necessary OpenZeppelin contracts with the statement imported OpenZeppelin/contracts/token/ERC20/ERC20.sol. Define your call the parent constructor with super name symbol. Next, define the initial supply of tokens by adding the code constructor UN256 initial supply ERC20 mytoken and TK at the end of your Next, add a comment explaining the purpose of the token, such as this is a standard ERC20 token. Save the changes in your file. Open the scripts folder in your project directory. Create a new script file called deploy.js. Open deploy.js in your code editor. In this file, import Hardhat runtime environment with const ethers equals require Hardhat. Create an asynchronous function named main. Inside this function, retrieve the contract factory for your token. Save your script and head back to your command line interface. Run the deployment script by executing npx hardhat run script/deploy.js network localhost. Once the script runs successfully, you should see the address of your newly deployed ERC20 token in the console. Congratulations, you have set up OpenZeppelin contracts for safe ERC20 creation. Review your code for any improvements and consider testing the functionality of your token. Experiment with features like transferring tokens and checking balances using the Hardhat console. This completes the beginner's guide to setting up OpenZeppelin contracts for ERC20 token creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.